In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma AA for PPT presentation. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank idea to a polished deck you can present, share, or export to PowerPoint with just a few clicks. Start by heading to gamma.app. Sign up or log in, and once you're on your dashboard, click Create New. You'll see a few ways to begin. Generate with AIs, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. For speed and a solid first draft, choose Generate with AI. Templates are great if you already have a structure in mind, and blank works when you want full control, but the AI option gets you moving fast. Next, enter your topic. You can type something like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. For best results, include your audience and tone, for example, beginner-friendly overview for a team meeting, concise and professional. Then click Generate. Gamma will build an outline and create slides with starter content you can refine. Review what the AI created. Click any slide to edit the text. Add or remove sections to match your story, and drag slides to rearrange the flow. Keep each slide focused on one main point and verify any facts or numbers. This pass gets the deck aligned with your goals. Now customize the design. Pick a theme or style, adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, and add images, icons, or videos. Aim for strong contrast and plenty of white space so your content is easy to read. If you're adding visuals, favor high-resolution images and simple icons that reinforce your message. If you need more material, click plus add card. You can insert text, images, videos, charts, and even embeds like links or live web pages. Charts are perfect for data highlights, and embeds keep interactive content up to date without constant re-uploads. Use the built-in AI to refine your wording. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite, expand, or simplify. Simplify helps reduce jargon, rewrite can improve tone and clarity, and expand is handy for speaker notes or deeper explanations without cluttering the slide. When you're ready, click Present to enter slideshow mode and practice your delivery. Or click Share to send a view link, or invite collaborators to edit with you in real time. Adjust permissions so viewers can only see or teammates can contribute.